Would you believe me if I told you an ESP8266 could become a real gaming console? Using just 4 buttons and a buzzer, I turned this tiny OLED board into a pocket-sized retro arcade. It can run games like Tetris and Snake, save high scores, and fit right in your pocket. If you enjoy projects like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. At the center of this project is this powerful ESP8266 board with a built-in OLED display. All processing and all in-game graphics will be handled by this board. For in-game sound effects, we are using this passive buzzer module. It generates custom tones at different frequencies to give us that authentic retro audio experience. To securely assemble all these components and solder our circuit connections together, we'll be using this prototype perf board. For in-game controls and menu navigation, we are using 4 12x12mm tactile buttons. Adding these colorful caps will improve the overall tactile feel and give the device a great retro look. Instead of soldering the ESP board directly to the board, we'll use these female header pins so we can easily plug and unplug it whenever needed. Now that we've covered all the components, let's jump right into the assembly. I've soldered all the components into place and finished the assembly, so my console is officially complete. Before uploading the project code, I adapted classic Tetris, the legendary Snake, a fun shoot game, and challenging Flappy Bird for this system. All project files can be found in the GitHub link in the description. You can use the project files as you wish, and the hardware pinout/connection table for this system is also included. Now let me go ahead and plug the USB Type-C cable directly into my board and immediately start uploading all of the custom game codes I've carefully prepared for this project. Then I opened Arduino IDE, created a new sketch, and copied the code from GitHub into this new file. Then I went to File, Greater Than Preferences, added the ESP8266 board URL to the Additional Boards Manager URLs field, and clicked OK to save. Next, I opened the Library Manager from the side menu and searched for Adafruit SSD 1306 for the OLED display. Since I already installed it before, it shows as installed, but you just need to click the Install button. Same goes for Adafruit GFX Library. I already have it installed, but you should install it as well if you haven't yet. Before uploading the code, make sure to configure your settings under the Tools menu. Select generic ESP8266 module as your board, choose the correct COM port, set the upload speed to 115,200, and select 1 MB for the flash size. Now that everything is ready, let's hit the upload button and start flashing the code onto our ESP8266. I sped up this part so the video doesn't get too long, but as you can see, the uploading process is running smoothly without any errors. This code actually includes classic games like Tetris, Snake, and Flappy Bird, along with a high score menu. Once it reaches 100%, our mini console will be ready to play. After successfully uploading the code to the board, I attached the colorful button caps into place to completely finish the assembly of my device. Now I can move on to the highly anticipated testing phase. Let's go ahead and test all the games on my custom handheld console one by one. First, in order to get the system up and running without any issues at all, I reach over and grab my external battery power module from the left side, then carefully plug its cable directly into my ESP board's Type-C port to power up the entire circuit. The moment I supply power, the screen lights up, and finally, the game selection menu pops up right on the display. As you can see, navigating through the menu is super smooth and easy. I've now selected the Tetris game. The controls feel absolutely great and the game runs perfectly smooth. This means we've officially reached the end of my custom handheld console project and another video. I really need your support to keep making more projects. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next awesome project. Take care.